A few months back, I started testing out AI content creation for my website. Whilst I'm a big believer in the quality of human written content, and of course, I love writing my own blog content and articles, I wanted to see whether AI generated content would help to deliver new readers and visitors to my website at scale. I wanted to test this out on behalf of clients as well. So I want to spend a few minutes and just show you the process that I go through. So whilst yesterday was the 4th of January, it was my birthday. Not only was it my birthday, it's also the day that my Byword account gets reloaded with articles. And yesterday I had another 25 credits drop into the account. And so this is the process that I went through, which took me between 30 and 45 minutes to get 25 new articles onto my website. Through any month, I'm always adding in keywords that I want to add on to the website. And I sort of split that down by two categories. The first is pain-related keywords. So keywords where someone is struggling with something. How do I fix this? How do I do that? Help me to do something. These are people that are looking for action. They're looking for a solution. So it's high intent. And the other, which is really the focus of this month's blog posts, is about alternative or competitive keywords where someone is trying to assess the difference between A and B. And in this example, I've been looking at the difference between different revenue tech stack products, different sales enablement tools, different contact and intent data tools, different sales engagement or CRM tools. Because at the point when someone is looking between solution A and B, they're highly likely to be purchasing it, one of those options, and then implementing it. And that's really where my service is in terms of helping people with go-to-market and with revenue operations comes in. So I've got a list of 25 or so different keywords here. And to save me the time of having to write an individual article for each of these, what I do is load them up into a batch generator task in Byword. Now, Byword is a fantastic tool that is 100% focused on creating blog content using AI. And I can do that in bulk. So I had 25 credits, so I've loaded up 25 articles in here. And these are all the ones that I had created in my spreadsheet. And then I hit go yesterday. And over the course of 15 to 20 minutes, Byword writes each of those articles in the background. Now, all I provided them was the title. So in this example, what's the difference between high spot and seismic? And Byword creates an AI generated image, and this uses my brand guidelines. So my brand colors are in there. And then just off that title, it's created this article. So understanding high spot and seismic, an overview of high spot, some links to some internal articles that are already on my blog for interlinking, an overview of seismic, some of the key features comparison, content management capabilities, sales enablement tools, integration and compatibility, and then going into the pricing structure, high spot pricing details, seismic pricing details, user interface and experience, customer support and service. And then there's a call to action at the bottom here going into my sales playbook template for people that want to get more information. So that entire article and breakdown and H2, H3 heading structure has been created automatically with no further involvement from me. And that happened at scale for 25 different articles that I was then able to go and add into my website, which I have built on Squarespace. So I did this manually. This is where the 25 to 30 minutes came in. For each article, it takes me a couple of minutes to copy the markup, copy the image, and create that article. There are integrations between Byword and WordPress and more coming. So for other platforms, this is automated. And then here we have these different articles. And if I go to this one here, what's the difference between DocuSign and Ironclad? Here we've got so many keywords relating to e-signature, digital signature, contract workflow, that it's really, really attractive for search engines that are looking for people that are trying to get these versus or alternative articles. And this specific article has taken me literally zero time and just a few dollars to get it onto the website. So I'm adding on 25 new articles a month through this process. And then what I start doing is tracking, are these articles starting to rank and generate traffic? Now, all of my AI created content is on a separate hierarchy under this RevOps articles hierarchy. They don't feature on my blog. I don't promote them externally. It's only through search engine optimization that people are finding these articles. And then here you can see that over the last month, there's 56 sessions, and I can see that the articles that are starting to rank an OKR glossary overview, what goes into the job description for a SaaS VP of sales, what should be in a first 90-day plan for a VP of sales. And those ones that I posted yesterday will start to rank. And what I can do is that as articles start to rank and get views, that's when I manually go in and start looking at this OKR explanation. Does it reflect my thinking? Is there any editing that I would add to that? Are there other interlinks or calls to action that I would add to make it more relevant to someone that is going into that page? So that's the process that I go through. Like I say, I'm only 3 months into this, but I'll come back and I'll create more videos as we're going 6 months and a year into this. It's a long-term strategy, but I feel that as I have hundreds, even thousands of articles onto the website, this will become a real source of traffic. Already today, 45% of the traffic that comes to my site comes from organic search. It's the largest source of traffic. Hope that was helpful, and chat to you soon.